This morning, SPY QQQ was bearish at the open. It was choppy, failed breakouts. So nothing much was going on in the S&P and QQQ until later in the day or end of the day. But the stocks like Meta and Amazon were showing strength right in the open. Meta was a lot of flow. This is important that you watch the flow, you learn the flow, you continuously track the flow all day long, trying to find the opportunities, because the flow can sometimes tell us how much interest the market has. And today there was a lot of flow in Meta in the morning. That's why I talked that Meta and Amazon are strong. I mentioned it in the community. So Meta was pushing over 595, 596, 600. So those were the two levels where the Meta was pushing over. Meta has been strong since Zuckerberg met Trump. So there was a catalyst. Zuckerberg wants to play a key role in the tech policy, and it's expected that next administration would be friendly to Meta. There's a lot of flow, a lot of strength. I did mention that Meta was the strongest name, that it's a good long, you can long it. But the real trade on Meta came later in the day when we broke out of 600. Look at this daily chart. This is a repeatable all-time high breakout, consolidation breakout setup. Always an A+ setup, always pays well. So you have the consolidation breakout, you have the option flow, you have the catalyst. Everything is telling you it's an A+. Yes, market was a little weak, little choppy, but the strength on Meta was just amazing, right? It traded 127% of its volume today. It traded 157% of its average range. So everything told us that Meta is strong. That's when I told everybody 600 breakout, hold it. Pushed right away to 602, 603, 604. In 5 minutes, we pushed towards our 602 target. That was the first trade, the first long trade. Then I told everyone that watch the 512 pullbacks, watch the curls. That's where you add, that's where you roll. I mentioned that roll with the profits. It's a daily breakout. Meta, nice breakout. 1608 broke out. Next target was 610. And I told traders you can roll to 615 options. You can even do 620 lotos. And I even told them to swing it. And the swing is actually up nicely. It's hitting 617 in after hours. These are 610 options went 100%. 605 options went 200%, 150%. And that's how you make profits, is when you hold your trade all day long. You do not panic. Yes, that's a pullback, but you see this level, right? You see this level. It's not breaking down. You get back in this zone as long as it holds. And there was this another flag here. You stay in. That it's an A+ setup. If you know the repeatable setups, traders literally in the community made many days worth of the profits.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.